Hi guys, look at this. More snow. Life in Canada. You gotta wear big ass boots. Okay? Look at this. Look at how much snow fell on top of that car there. It's around 6 in the morning. I just wanted you guys to take a walk with me. Look at this. This is ridiculous. This is where I have to walk. All I see is white. Okay, let's do it. Look at this. Guys, have you seen this? You think this is Canada, man? We're in Toronto. Look at these piles of snow. This is taller than me, man. There's so much snow we got in Toronto. There's piles everywhere. Look, there's piles there, 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 there. You keep looking, there's piles over there. There's another pile way back there. There's more piles over there. We call them snowbanks. Look at this. You have to watch your footing. Like, the snow's everywhere. Okay. Oh, the city does its best to clean it up, right? But yeah, you need extra people to be doing it. To be honest with you, a lot of people can't shovel, and they're trapped inside their house. They can't leave. You know, they can't get their mail. The mailman will not come to your door if it's not shoveled. So yeah, look at this. This is Toronto, man. Canada. It's a lot of snow, man. Got hit with snow this season, like seriously. I just wanted to update you guys on this video. I just been inside. We're still in the pandemic, so I just been inside. It's really cold out. It's around minus 12 or something. I don't know. Maybe minus 10. It's freezing. I'm wearing my gloves. You gotta have your gear on, man. Wearing 2 scarves. Yeah. Right now is where all the shoveling is being done, so the businesses can start their day. And yeah. But you can't get everything off the ground. Look at this. No matter what, it's still on the ground. So walking around is not a good choice, to be honest. This is a country you need a car. They say cars are a privilege, but look at this. How are you supposed to go around? You guys are working. Cold. Trying to get things right. Can I get next extra? Walking. And a single backward. Smoking. One smoking.
Original or port? Which one? Original or port?
Original. 649, that's Ontario Drive.
1766.
I can't see the price.
Oh.
Yeah. Thank you. coffee.